is one of your laptop's biggest enemies, and a cooling device with fans is one of the best ways to keep your laptop cool and running smoothly. That's why Techx offers a wide range of cooling solutions for laptop owners. The ChillMat XC and ChillHub XC both have dual fans and a wide base that supports laptops up to 17 inches. You can adjust the fan speed according to your needs. They're USB powered, so no AC adapter is needed. All you need is an available USB port on your computer. Adjustable legs let you adjust the height so you can find a comfortable position, and a long rubber strip keeps your laptop from sliding off. For increased productivity, the ChillHub XC has 4 USB 2.0 ports on the back for connecting devices like a mouse, keyboard, or your cell phone. For more basic cooling, the Laptop ChillMat and Netbook ChillMat are also good choices. Like the ChillMat XC and ChillHub XC, these ChillMats have dual fans that keep your laptop cool. They're also USB powered, so no AC adapters required. Whether you have a small netbook or a high-performance laptop, Techx has a cooling device that fits your needs. Protect your investment. Your laptop will thank you.
So you got the new Apple MacBook Pro with many groundbreaking features like the Touch Bar, only to discover it doesn't work with any of your devices. You would practically need a dongle for everything. What if there is a sleek, compact adapter for your MacBook that is able to provide all the ports you need? Introducing HyperDrive, the adapter that replaces all other dongles. Now you can connect an HDMI display and a Thunderbolt display, USB-C data, SD memory card, micro SD card, USB 3.0 flash drive, and a USB 3.0 hard drive, all while charging your MacBook Pro at full speed. Stop figuring out how to store and carry your dongles. With HyperDrive, just pack and go. Don't look silly with dongles. Just go with HyperDrive. HyperDrive gets you up and running in no time. HyperDrive is the first hub specifically designed for the new MacBook Pro, utilizing 2 Thunderbolt USB-C ports to provide more bandwidth than any other dongle in the market. HyperDrive is made of precision milled aluminum, available in both silver and space gray to match the MacBook Pro. And the same HyperDrive works with the 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pro.
Get the most out of your workstation with 2 ultra-high-definition monitors and up to 100 watts of power. Perfect for users who want a dock to connect to either USB-C or USB-A host devices, plus want power to charge their Type-C or legacy laptops. To connect, first plug in the power supply from the wall to the power in port on the back of the Dock 190. The LED power indicator will turn on when properly powered. Next, plug in your keyboard, mouse, dongles, or other USB peripherals into any of the USB ports located on the dock. Speakers, headphones, a microphone or combo audio device can also be plugged into the audio in-out port. There are USB 3.0 Super Speed Type A and Type C ports on either side of the dock. One is labeled for high-power charging devices like smartphones and tablets. Using the cables that came with your display monitors, connect either 2 DisplayPort, 2 HDMI, or one of each to the VideoStream A and B ports on the Dock 190. Connect the Gigabit Ethernet port for the fastest secure LAN and internet access. A lock slot is also available for physical security. Finally, connect the Dock 190 uplink to your host device's Type-C port using the provided USB Type-C SuperSpeed cable. A USB-C to USB-A adapter is provided if you don't have a USB-C host device. Plugging this into your non-charging USB 3.0 host port is recommended. To enable laptop charging, connect the 19.5-volt output cable to the dock and select the power tip recommended for your PC from the Techx power tips included with the Dock 190. Be sure your laptop is running the latest operating system and you have the latest firmware from your device manufacturer on your computer. Save space and increase productivity with the Dock 190, the universally compatible USB-C docking station with 100-watt power.
Each device you bought, equipped with a new charger, More chargers you have, more complicated charging you get. Let Ugreen 65-watt gallium nitride fast charger solve all your troubles. This charger endows with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Adhering to the design concept of all-in-one, so you can connect up to 4 devices at the same time. The concept of all-in-one was perfectly expressed in this product, designed to power supply for multiple devices. Smartphones, laptops, tablet, and Nintendo Switch can all be charged via this charger simultaneously. No need to worry about the different watt requirements of your devices. The built-in intelligent chip will auto-match with the optimal output. The secret of efficient charging relies on the latest gallium nitride technology, which makes this charger smaller in size and more efficient on performance. This charger has comprehensive protections to avoid overcharging, short circuit, and etc. In addition to that, and it provides the low temperature operation. What's more, fast charge protocols such as power delivery, quick charge, fast charge protocol can also be achieved. The design of all-in-one helps you get rid of the mess of charging. Travel-friendly foldable plugs offer the optimal compactness and convenience. To see the technology, to see the Ugreen 65-watt gallium nitride power delivery fast charger.